Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. This video is about 4 little words that people confuse all the time. C'est, cette, and set. I'll show you when to use which. Now, before we go any further, I just want to remind you that you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's a short ebook that's packed with tips and tricks on how to sound like a native French speaker. The first one is c'est, C''est, which means it is. First example, c'est une maison à 3 étages. If you want, you can link c'est une maison à 3 étages. It's a 3-story house. Puisque c'est comme ça, je m'en vais. All right then, I'm going. Puisque c'est comme ça is very difficult to translate in English because it hasn't got an equivalent. Literally it means since that's the way it is, I'm going. C'est pas un peu fini, ce vacarme? So this is what you would hear people say to their children when they're fighting. Have you finished your racket yet? But of course in French we like our negative questions, so we say haven't you finished your racket yet? Then we've got cette, C-E-T-T-E, which is the feminine form of ce, which means this or that. Cette année, on ne part pas en vacances. This year, we're not going on holiday. Notice in French we say partir en vacances, to leave on holiday. It's an expression. We don't say aller en vacances. We always say partir. On m'a donné cette carte au musée. I was given this map at the museum. Here we translate on m'a donné, one gave me, by the passive form in English, I was given. But in French we don't like the I was given, so we always put it back in the active form with the on for anyone, someone. Cette couverture est très légère. This blanket is really light. Then we've got cette, which is C-E-T, and that's the masculine form of ce before a vowel, and it means this and that as well. I made a video about how to say this and that in depth, and I'll put a card at the top so you can view that one if you want. But for now, we're only going to concentrate on a few examples of this. Cet arbre est magnifique. This tree is magnificent. You can't say ce arbre because it doesn't flow as well as cet arbre. That's why we stuck with the extra T on the end. Ne prenez pas cet ascenseur, il est en panne. Don't take this lift, it's out of order. Ascenseur, masculine word, starts with a vowel. Cet ascenseur. C'est cet homme dont je te parlais. It's that man I was telling you about. Here it's a bit weird because obviously homme doesn't start with a vowel, except it does to the ear. Un homme, you don't hear the H, therefore we consider it starts with a vowel. Cet homme. Easier to say than ce homme. Finally, we've got sept, S-E-P-T, and you don't say the P there. It's the number 7. Sounds exactly the same as the previous sept. Ça fait 7 ans que je travaille dans le même magasin. I've been working in the same shop for 7 years. Here, normally people ask me, oh, why don't you use depuis? You could say, je travaille dans le même magasin depuis 7 ans. That's fine. It's a bit more formal. When we speak, I'm talking everyday speech. We say, ça fait 7 ans que. Always that structure. Vous êtes combien? On est 7. How many people are there? 7 of us. This is the type of thing you'd be asked if you turn up at a restaurant and say, do you have a table? And they say, vous êtes combien? And the answer is always, on est 7. We are 7. It sounds a bit weird. People say, why do you say we are 7? Because it's 7 of us. That's how we translate it. Blanche-Neige et les 7 nains est un conte pour enfants. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs is a children's tale. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.